In the heart of the polluted Chinese city of Guangzhou is a skyscraper that promises to be the most energy efficient in the world.
You see all this construction around us in Guangzhou and how polluted the sky is and how polluted the air is. It's our obligation to really help make buildings that have less carbon output.
China is in the midst of a construction boom. Consulting firm McKinsey estimates up to 50,000 new skyscrapers will be built here by 2025, and energy demands in the nation's cities will more than double. This building's designer, SOM, says the Pearl River Tower integrates green technologies that both generate and preserve power, a concept known as net zero energy.
One of the main things is that the building has been shaped and formed, really sculpted, if you will, so that the wind power is actually pushed through these small apertures in the building where we house these wind turbines.
The turbines and solar panels could generate more than 1 million kilowatt hours of electricity a year. But there's no way to store the energy, so sometimes the building will need to tap into the city's coal-based power grid.
You're not quite achieving the net zero energy level, right?
No, it's very, very difficult. I mean, they're close to net zero. It would be helpful if China, or specifically Guangzhou, had the ability for you to be able to put some power back into the urban grid.
The 71-story tower will also have energy-saving lighting and a cooling system that uses piped water instead of air conditioning. Still, environmentalists are skeptical because all skyscrapers, even green ones, require a lot of resources like steel and cement to build.
We need to take into the consideration of the social and environmental impacts of the whole life cycle of that building, from construction to operation and then to maintenance.
Also, some critics find it ironic the main tenant in this tower will be a tobacco company. SOM says the Pearl River Tower costs about 15% more than a standard building, but argues that can be earned back in less than 5 years.
And if we can demonstrate the strategies add up to a more efficient building for the owner to occupy and more efficient to operate, then I think that will send the right message.
A message they hope will spread across China's increasingly crowded skylines. Eunice Yoon, CNN, Guangzhou.